From a deputy wounded in the line of duty. As Larry Davis reports live from Lebanon, she took the stand in the trial of the man accused of shooting her.
Hi, Cammie. She tried to keep her emotions in check, but at times, Deputy Katie Barnes shed tears as she recounted it for the jury that night last June when she was shot and wounded. And even though it was very tough to talk about it, the deputy hung tough as she told jurors how she simply tried to survive. This was the first time Deputy Katie Barnes had spoken publicly about being shot and wounded.
Heard a loud flash and a bang.
From what direction was it coming?
My left.
Bang.
I had no feeling. I fell backwards, and I didn't know. I just knew it was gunfire.
Deputy Barnes testified about responding a second time to a domestic call at the Orchard of Landon apartment complex. The dispute was between Mohammed Laghaoui, his brother, and father. Prosecutors say Mohammed Laghaoui opened fire on the deputy as she approached an apartment building.
Just shots are being fired. I'm just moving my feet, trying to get out, to survive.
Deputy Barnes was emotional during testimony and at times fought back tears. She says she returned the gunfire and tried to take cover at the complex. All along, she was not aware she had been shot until her gun jammed.
When I went to put the new mag in my gun, just the slight of my wrist above my watch, I looked down and I saw my shirt frayed, and my wrist caught it, and it was warm and wet.
Deputy Barnes testified she felt no pain. She just prayed as she was transported to the hospital.
What was running through your mind at that point?
Am I going to die?
And Cammie, under cross-examination, Deputy Barnes was asked whether she was for sure that it was Mohammed Laghaoui who fired the shot. She said she wasn't sure. She said she never saw his face. Now, she also told jurors that she is back on desk duty right now, but she is ready to get back on the road. Live in Lebanon, Larry Davis, Local 12 News. Cammie, back to you.
All right, Larry, thank you. And in addition to wounding Deputy Barnes, Mohammed Laghaoui is accused of shooting his father as well. During opening statements, the defense attorney claimed that his client was mentally ill and never intended to hurt anyone.